Welcome back to the Car Updates. The 2026 Beetle preserves its classic DNA while incorporating fresh, contemporary elements that align it with Volkswagen's current design language. The instantly recognizable rounded roofline, muscular fenders, and compact dimensions are still present, but now they're sculpted with cleaner lines, sleeker contours, and LED lighting signatures that give the car a futuristic appeal. The front fascia is minimalist yet expressive, sporting a more refined grille, flush-mounted LED headlamps, and a reimagined VW badge. The rear keeps things playful with updated taillights, a compact rear spoiler, and a wider stance for better road presence. Volkswagen has taken a smart approach with the 2026 Beetle's interior, combining retro styling cues with modern digital interfaces. The circular motifs that defined earlier models are still evident in the air vents and instrument cluster, but they've been modernized with ambient lighting and a fully digital cockpit. A 12.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, running the latest MIB4 software with seamless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air update capabilities. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and customizable interior color schemes give the cabin a youthful yet upscale vibe. There's an available panoramic sunroof, Beats audio sound system, and even mood lighting that responds to driving dynamics. Now on to performance. The 2026 Beetle is available in two main configurations: a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder gas engine and a fully electric version, which Volkswagen has dubbed the Beetle Emotion. The gas variant delivers a peppy 180 horsepower and 200 lb-ft of torque, mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. It's quick off the line, agile in city traffic, and comfortable on longer highway journeys thanks to an improved chassis and revised suspension geometry. The electric Beetle Emotion produces 201 horsepower and a robust 229 lb-ft of torque, powered by a 58 kilowatt-hour battery pack, offering up to 240 miles of range. Fast charging is supported, allowing up to 80% recharge in just 35 minutes. What truly sets the new Beetle apart is its driving experience. It's remarkably composed for a compact car, with excellent road feedback, light but precise steering, and a firm yet forgiving ride. The electric version in particular benefits from a low center of gravity due to the battery placement, enhancing stability and cornering prowess. Driving modes such as Eco, Comfort, and Sport allow drivers to tailor the experience based on their mood or environment. For the EV, regenerative braking is adjustable and contributes to the one-pedal driving feel, adding efficiency and convenience. Safety is another strong suit. The 2026 Beetle comes standard with Volkswagen's IQ.Drive suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add parking assist, a 360-degree camera system, and traffic sign recognition. The Beetle's structural rigidity has been enhanced using high-strength steel and crash absorption zones, earning it top marks in Euro NCAP and IIHS safety tests. In terms of practicality, the 2026 Beetle impresses for a car of its size. Front seat occupants enjoy ample headroom and legroom, while the rear seats, though cozy, are now easier to access thanks to wider door openings. Cargo space has also improved slightly, with 13 cubic feet in the gas model and 11 cubic feet in the EV version. Split folding rear seats add flexibility, and hidden compartments throughout the cabin make smart use of every inch of space. Another unique selling point of the 2026 Beetle is its blend of heritage and innovation. While it celebrates its roots with familiar design cues and a cheerful personality, it looks decisively forward with cutting-edge technology, electrified powertrains, and sustainable manufacturing practices. For instance, many interior components use recycled plastics and renewable materials, aligning with VW's broader environmental mission. The EV variant even comes with a carbon-neutral certification for production, appealing to eco-conscious buyers. The competition in the compact and EV markets is fierce, with models like the Mini Cooper SE, Honda Civic, Fiat 500e, and even the Tesla Model 3 vying for attention. Yet, the Beetle stands out by offering a unique fusion of history, heart, and high-tech innovation. It doesn't chase trends, it sets them. And in doing so, it invites drivers to be part of a story that stretches back nearly a century and continues into the future with style and substance. So, Is the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle worth your attention? Absolutely. Whether you choose the zippy gas-powered version or the smooth and silent emotion EV, you're getting more than a car. You're getting an experience. It's one rooted in legacy, reimagined through innovation, and wrapped in a design that turns heads wherever it goes. Thanks for joining us for this comprehensive review of the 2026 VW Beetle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our in-depth car reviews, electric vehicle breakdowns, and latest auto news. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the Beetle's comeback. Is it everything you hoped for? Until next time, keep driving forward and stay curious.